Hey guys, and welcome to another reaction on this channel. Today we check out the MV teaser for YooA's Voyage. So tomorrow is the day where the comeback will be out. More than less today, cause at Germany right now it's like 5 p.m. but Korea is 7 hours before, so they have the new day today, and I guess in like 18 hours or something like that, yeah, should be the comeback. So I'm very excited. We got the MV teaser here. I don't know if this will get blocked again or partially blocked in some countries like my last reactions. Especially the highlight medley got hit so much. We will see if this happens. I'm very hyped, cause I don't know what to expect, guys. I mean, I guess this will be a bit fairy, but a bit nature fairy-like. A bit more. I guess it's very. It's very fairy tale. But let's see. Oh, I love this passage. I'm listening. You could listen to it like in a dance baller too. Wow. Whoa, wild. Oh, Jesus Christ, she will fight. She wanna fight. Okay, so it's not a bridge, it's just the beginning. And it's... Or it might be the bridge, I don't know. And then comes the drop for the hook. Strong. Oh, she looks so good. Wow. I wasn't sure at the beginning about her orange hair. But wow, in this look. This is something. This is really something special. Holy moly, eh. Wow. Wow, to hear her voice. Oh gosh, it's so good. Oh, the styling is so gorgeous. We will watch it the last time. There she is so like kinda innocent and a bit scared and exploring the whole thing here. And then it might be the moment where she gets changed because of the wolf. Then we get this part here where that shows that she's slowly getting into this. And there she is completely in it, and maybe it's like defending the stuff, so as a nature spirit, something like that. I guess this might be the story from the VMV, but I don't know yet. At the end, wow, this looks so good. I really love the set of the forest and the fiend with the, I don't know if it's something like with the water at all. Wow, I'm really looking forward to it. It's not long till tomorrow. I'm really excited. I can't explain how much excited I am. Literally, I guess I can't sleep today. This will be hard. But guys, that was it for me. Now it's your turn to write in the comments what do you think about this comeback here. Would be really nice to hear your opinion. And tomorrow we will meet Eddie MV reaction. So guys, we'll see us tomorrow. Or if some Koreans or something like that watch it, we will see us later in few hours. Bye.